Have you ever realized that all professional microphones, like this one, have a dead cat and your phone doesn't? That's why it's so terrible in wind. Just listen. But you can easily make one with a sponge, like the ones you have at home, in your kitchen. You just cut them in the right way and it will improve your sound a lot. Just listen. It's quite windy now actually. I can even blow and you probably won't hear much. It's improved a lot. Come on, let's make one. So, first I'm finding a sponge, and I think one like this for car washing is perfect. It needs to be as wide as your phone, and about 3 centimeters thick. I cut it in 3 × 3 centimeters and the width of the phone. Now make a cut with a sharp knife, but cut into it like V. This will be almost impossible with a blunt knife. I'm glad you didn't hear me before I got the sharp one. After I have successfully cut the V while making funny looking faces, I simply pull out the V from the middle. It's important that it has this triangle-shaped hole, otherwise it will not attach or let wind inside. Then I'm just cutting off the edges to make it look less edgy. And you should make 2 of these, because your phone probably also has a microphone on the top for stereo recording. And that's it. Upcycle, save some money, and good luck. See you next time.